Sleeps. Yes. Of course. So we don't really. Yeah, we do that.
Good morning, Ms. McCoy.
I am.
Good morning, Madam Clerk. I'm here on Daryl Brown. I believe he's in custody.
Yes, he is. Did you want to wait or waive his appearance?
Yeah, that's one of the places.
Well, I haven't had a chance to talk to him. So if we set it
Okay.
for, yes, I could.
Oh, go- I'm sorry, go ahead. I cut you off. I'm sorry.
Oh, I was saying I prefer to just wait to see if I have a chance to talk to him. I do have, they just sent me Discover. I was reviewing that. So.
Okay. All right, well, we'll wait a few minutes. I'm ready. I got, Mr. Cripps. Yep, here's the first one. Ms. McCoy is gonna wait a few minutes on her client who's in jail. Oh, Mr. Cripps been retained on Robinson. Liddell Robinson.
Okay. The Davis.
Yeah, it's.
I'm sure.
Yeah, you can,
36th District Court, City of Detroit, State of Michigan is now in session with the Honorable Judge Ronald Johnson.
I'm ready whenever you are.
Right.
Calling case number 2357074, the people of the state of Michigan versus Liddell Robinson. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons, firearms, possession by a felon. Count 2, weapons, felony, firearm. Count 3, weapons, ammunition, possession by a felon. Count 4, weapons, felony, firearm, habitual offender, second notice. This matter is scheduled for probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. On behalf of the people, Philip Henderson, P 86029.
Hey, good morning, Judge David Cripps, P 34972, appearing on behalf of Mr. Liddell Robinson. Hopefully he's joined us by Zoom. I can waive his appearance. I was in contact with him last night for a long time.
Right, court will waive his appearance for the purpose of today's hearing. Send this
Yes,
matter
Your
for
Honor.
exam.
Yes, Your Honor.
Available June 12th at 10:30.
Let me check my schedule. What time would that be, Judge?
10:30.
Yes, I'll be there.
Right. Anything else?
Nothing further. Thank you, Judge. Have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
Bye.
Wow.
I see Miss O'Mara. Miss O'Mara, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Calling case number 2356360, the people of the state of Michigan versus Demetrius Logan. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Good morning, Your Honor. Catherine O'Mara, P53823, on behalf of Demetrius Logan.
Philip Henderson on behalf of the people, P86029.
Your Honor, this case was scheduled for exam this morning at 9, and I am in the middle of a trial across the street at Frank Murphy's, starting up at 9.
Where's your client?
I didn't tell him to zoom in. I can have him zoom in right now. I told him that we're probably,
Without your client, all do is capious.
well, I will ask him to zoom in right now then.
Why, are you just finding out you're in the trial? I mean, we
No, I
couldn't
tried to,
notify-
I called your clerk yesterday and court was, you had already left for the day, so she said to zoom in today.
All right.
I didn't know I
Fine,
needed to, I didn't know I needed to have my client zoom in, so I will call him right now. Thank you.
All right.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Judge. Asking for adjournment. So.
It's ahead of time, we'll wait hearing, so if it's the day of, no, we gotta show up. No, Brown.
Yeah, it was just, it's 9 o'clock, and she said that's the time her trial started. He raised the show. Huh? Okay. Question. Hmm. Good morning. Attorney Vanessa Hamilton.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning. What case are you on?
I'm here for Jaden Turner Cook and Lerome Ramsey.
All right, your client Ramsey is here. And what was the other one? Turner Cook?
Jaden, yeah, Turner Cook. You said Mr. Ramsey's there in person?
Yes, I was gonna call that one first.
Okay.
Let's see what's, it's a co-defendant. All right. The co-defendant, that's what it says. Calling case number 2357090, the people of the state of Michigan versus Lerome Ramsey. Defendant number 1 is charged with count 3, stolen property, receiving and concealing motor vehicle. Matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Philip Henderson on behalf of the people, P86029.
Good morning, Vanessa Hamilton, P82107, on behalf of Mr. Ramsey, who is present in your courtroom in person, Your Honor.
Ramsey, can you state your name for the record, please? Thank you. All right, counsel, what's your pleasure?
Yes, Judge, we'd like to set this for a preliminary exam date. And I believe I might still be in need of digital discovery.
June 12th at 9 o'clock.
Yes, that works.
And that discovery was sent very late, so it should be in your inbox by now.
Okay, yeah, I do have a few discovery links that came through that I haven't been able to look at yet, so possibly already have it.
All right, anything else?
No, that's it for this one, Your Honor.
All right, that concludes the hearing. Bonds continued. June 12th, 9 o'clock.
Excuse me, what, we'll get you something.
Are you ready, Turner Cook?
Yes. Well, actually, I mean, if he's logged in, but I'm ready, either way.
No, he's not.
Hello, this is Mrs. Salem. I'm logged in.
Not you, Miss Salem.
I'm blessed. How are you?
You too, thank you. I have you checked in. Your attorney is Miss Cole Thirst. She's on, but just gotta wait till I call your case, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Well, calling case number 2357096, the people of the state of Michigan versus Jaden Turner Cook. Defendant is charged with count 1, police officer fleeing 4th degree vehicle code. Count 2, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing. Count 3, operating drag racing. Count 4, operating no license, multiple licenses. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
On behalf of the people, Philip Henderson, PA 6029.
Vanessa Hamilton, PA 2107, on behalf of Mr. Turner Cook. Your Honor, I don't see that he's logged in, but I would request to waive his presence to set a preliminary exam date.
Waive his appearance, purpose for this hearing. An exam date for June 12th at 9:30.
Yes, that works.
Anything else?
No, that's it, Your Honor.
Let's continue. Conclude the hearing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Calling case number 2357082, the people of the state of Michigan versus Portia Salam. Defendant is charged with count 1, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault. Count 2, malicious destruction of personal property, $200 or more, but less than $1,000. Count 3, malicious destruction of personal property, $200 or more, but less than $1,000. Count 4, domestic violence. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference. Oh no, TV on there.
Philip Henderson on behalf of the people, PA 6029.
Good morning, Jennifer Colthurst, P52876. I appear on behalf of Ms. Portia Salem. Ms. Salem, please identify yourself.
Yes, this is Portia Salem. Can you hear me?
Yes, we heard you, ma'am. Thank you. Why is this here? This is DV.
A probable cause conference.
Hold on, please. I was speaking to the prosecutor.
Yes, Your Honor. So the first 3 counts are what brings it to the assault and the.
But the violence was taken out of Judge King.
Pardon?
The domestic violence charge was taken all to Judge King.
I'm unsure when.
Judge King does the domestic violence. Oh,
Right. I don't know.
Well, no. It's supposed to be with him, and it's supposed to go to him.
Just a second. So, Your Honor, I apologize, a little bring to the system of 36D, but we would ask that we move to the courtroom if we can. Is that the case we transferred to him? Is that feasible?
Okay, it's checking out.
Yes. No, I know that. Judge, is that misdemeanor, I mean, is that domestic violence a misdemeanor or felony? I need to know. He's got, it's a felony case, but one of the counts is a domestic violence.
It's a misdemeanor.
It's a misdemeanor.
Good morning.
Hold on, please.
Oh, so, okay. Let me go. All right, all right. Don't worry. Good morning, Mr. Henry. I have a question. I have a case, Judge Jones has a case, it's a felony case, however, the whole count is a domestic violence. Does that go to Judge King? Let me see the count, Judge. Let's see the count. The first count is a assault. Well, yeah, it's not Judge Giles, but he doesn't get them that wrong domestic violence case. All right. She don't know, she's going to call me. Oh, yeah, that's it. Yeah. Sorry. Trying to see about this.
And we're gonna recall this in just a minute. Let's call her, because we believe it's supposed to be in front of Judge King. We're just verifying that.
I see. Is it possible to enter a breakout room while we are verifying the court?
Sure.
Thank you.
I'll put it in.
Okay.
And APA Henderson, can you send me the written discovery? I did get the digital, but I didn't see the written. Thank you.
I'll make sure you have that, yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Good morning, Wayne County Jail. Who do we have?
Daryl Brown?
I'm sorry? Daryl Brown?
Yes.
Okay.
Madam Clerk, could you put me in a breakout room with Mr. Brown briefly?
Sure. Let's break out number 2, room
Okay.
2.
I'm gonna
Oh,
have to
there.
leave the Zoom in a minute, Your Honor, because my trial is starting.
Oh, you can't now. I'll call it, I'm getting call it right now.
Thank
This
you.
case number, recalling case number 23056360001, state of Michigan versus Demetrius Logan.
Philip Henderson on behalf of the people, P 86029.
And again, Catherine O'Mara, P53823 on behalf of Demetrius Logan.
Logan, state your name for the record, please.
Demetrius Logan.
Did you get that? Can you state it again?
Demetrius Logan.
Thank you. All right, Ms. O'Meara, you said you're in a continued trial.
Yes, Your Honor. And another thing was that this was a spot appointment. And so I didn't even have discovery at the PCC, and we just set it for an exam. I was not aware if there had been any offer for Mr. Logan, because wouldn't have felt comfortable with doing anything with it with no discovery anyway. But can the APA check that for me quickly?
My co-counsel informs you that discovery has been sent and there's no offer at this time.
Okay, so yeah, we just need an adjourned exam then.
How long is your trial?
It should be done today. I don't know how long it'll take to deliberate. I hope it doesn't go until tomorrow.
On Thursday, June 8th at 10:15.
Yeah, I think I can do that. I can do that. I have another exam in there at 10:30, so that should be fine.
All right, see everybody back then. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Turner Cook, we did him already. Mr. Turner Cook?
Yes.
All right, we did your case. Your attorney was here and waived your appearance.
Tablet dying. Oh my.
Huh? What? Mr. Turner Cook? You still on? What happened? Hello? Yeah, I tried to. Look like I had to go because he was in the record. Yeah. All right. Okay, all right. Okay, he logged out. Okay, so we logged off, logged back on. Mr. Turner
Hello?
Cook, can you hear me? Can you hear?
Oh, Lord, what is wrong with it?
Mr. Turner Cook, can you hear me? Can you hear me, Mr. Turner Cook? Yeah, I mean, I don't know. It looks like he's got a connection.
Mr. Turner Cook? Let's have a chat.
No, I can't hear you.
Oh. What is this court date?
Court date is,
June 12th to 9:30.
June 12th.
Right, I know that. I'm trying to see if this case goes. Okay. No.
That's it.
Yeah,
That's easy.
well, nobody else can answer me. Well, he must have got my chat unless he just logged off again.
What? I'm over here.
Yeah, we can hear him good.
It's called crazy. We'll try it on 4th of July.
I don't have nothing else right now. How you going?
You're all right. Where are you going? Oh, where you want for? What are you planning to? San Jose or Liberia?
I'm staying at the Studio Hotel.
How is it?
Studio Hotel. San Jose.
Oh, so you're staying in San Jose? Like, you're gonna be on San Jose the whole time?
Well, hopefully not, if I need to go somewhere else. San Jose is the next day.
Like, that looks like.
Oh, that's
Taco.
Taco.
Yeah. Well, it's 12 days.
You ready, Ms. McCoy?
Taco.
Yes, we're asking for an exam and we want to address bond.
Okay.
Motion. Yeah, well, that's the phone call. Nice. San Jose, Central. Yeah. Exam out. Elevate. Elevated. Elevated. 70, 70, somewhere around.
We're there for a day. We're there for.
Daryl Brown.
Thank you. Thank you.
Calling case number 2357117, the people of the state of Michigan versus Daryl Brown. Defendant is charged with count 1 and count 2, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault. Count 3, weapons, firearms, possession by a felon. Count 4, weapons, felony, firearm. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Philip Henderson on behalf of the people, P86029.
And good morning, Your Honor. Robin McCoy, P63057, on behalf of Mr. Daryl Brown, who is appearing, we're both appearing via Zoom.
All right, pleasure, counsel.
Your Honor, I did have the, yes, I did have the opportunity to talk to Mr. Brown. I did go over the discovery with him, and he's opting to hold the preliminary exam at this time.
9 o'clock, June 13th.
My mom is having a health procedure. You didn't have anything on the 12th?
Well, you scheduled for you said, I couldn't hear you, said you're scheduled for what?
Oh, I said my mom is having scheduled for a procedure on the 13th, and then I have, I have a 10 o'clock referee hearing too. So, can we do the
12.
Yeah, the 12th or the 14th?
Do the 12th at 9:45.
Okay. And then, Your Honor, he did want me, I wanted to address the bond. Now, my understanding was the bond was 50,000, 10%. He said that he had another hearing where the bond was set at a personal bond with a tether. He was waiting for the tether. We're just trying to clarify that if it.
It is a personal bond with the tether.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess you'll just have to wait for the tether then. Okay.
Tether allows him to travel for court and medical only. Otherwise, he's on house arrest.
Oh, he did say that he has a job that he's worked for 5 years. We'd asked that the tether be modified so he can go to work. He said he works at GM Equity.
Documentation on the job. I need documentation on the job and the hours.
Okay. Documentation of the job and the hours. All right. Thank you, Your Honor. Hope you and your staff have a nice day.
Thank you too.
All right. Mr. Brown, I'll be in touch.
Okay.
June 12th at 9:45.
Ms. Diallo, are you ready?
I am ready.
Okay, your client is here.
In the courtroom?
Yes. Calling case number 2357087, the people of the state of Michigan versus Raheem Ziegler. Defendant is charged with count 1, controlled substances, possession cocaine, heroin, or another narcotic less than 25 grams. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Philip Henderson on behalf of the people, P86029.
Good morning to you and your staff. Lillian Diallo, P52036, on behalf of Mr. Ziegler, who was physically present in the courtroom.
Can you state your name for the record, please? Raheem Ziegler. All right. Ziegler said, no, I don't do t-shirts or sweats in my courtroom. If you come back, please wear a shirt to count. All right, thanks, sir. All right, Ms. Diallo, you're sending for exam?
Yes, Judge. But I did just get a bunch of discovery this morning. They had to send it in groupings. It is a voluminous amount of discovery that I have not gone through, as I've just gotten it this morning, and I'm in trial here in Saginaw. What fun. So if we can set it for an exam, if we can set it for maybe a few weeks out, and that way Mr. Ziegler can be in touch with me. I do have a 586 number for Mr. Ziegler. I hope that's the best number, Mr. Ziegler.
586, yes, that's my little brother's phone. My phone was.
Oh, no wonder.
Jackson.
Okay, well, just
for a week.
You said a week? I'm sorry, you said a week?
I say a little over a week.
Oh, for what, Judge? An exam?
Exam.
Oh my, hold on, Judge, no. I'm gonna be in a homicide trial next week. starting on the 12th in Bozzy, Judge Bozzy. But the next week is good.
Huh?
The next
How long
week,
is
the
that
week
trial?
of the, oh my God. So that's going to take the whole week and probably will conclude on the 20th. So how about the 21st?
Yeah, the 21st. Let's see, what we have on. Yeah, I know you're killing my time restraints. I'm supposed to have this
Judge,
done before then.
I understand, but we're trying cases over here all over, but especially in Frank Murphy, they're way behind. So I'm sorry.
They got good cases just like I gotta move mine.
I know, but y'all been moving them way faster and way better.
Well, that's because I tend to twist some arms sometimes. Just not here for me to twist it. What we got on
I feel the pressure. I feel the pressure.
On the 21st, Judge?
Give you 9 o'clock on the 21st.
I got you. Mr. Ziegler, just respond back to me, okay? On your brother's phone, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you. Everybody take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
You good. Go with Dave, right? Joseph, third. What time? 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Yes, Judge.
So that whole week,
You need,
I'm only gonna fit no more than 3 cases.
Okay.
Just got them all at 9 o'clock. The rest of the stuff is on other days, so.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. I know. Good morning, Counselor.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You're on Israel,
Yeah,
Gullen?
yes. I can't change I see it says Attorney Ross. I can't change it though.
Yeah.
Attorney Ross.
Okay.
Yeah, I haven't had any contact with Mr. Gullion. He gave a number of a telephone number for someone else who I called and said they hadn't seen him in a couple of months. And the sent him
Okay, Counselor. Let me call the case, okay?
Sure.
Calling case number 2357110, the people of the state of Michigan versus Israel Gullen. Defendant is charged with count 1, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault, count 2, assault aggravated, habitual offender form notice. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Philip Henderson on behalf of the people, P86029.
Good morning, man. Police of court, Douglas Mons, P4916 on behalf of defendant Mr. Israel Gullion. Unfortunately, I haven't had any contact with this client I've been appointed to. I did call the number that was listed and it was answered by someone who said they hadn't seen him in a couple of months. Sent a letter to his residence, actually went by the residence and it seemed to be unoccupied. I have no explanation for his non-appearance.
Well, are you willing to waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing? Give yourself time to see if he'll contact you.
We could do that and maybe adjourn this hearing for a week to give me additional time.
I'll adjourn the hearing. I'll waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing. We'll set it for exam. If he doesn't show up, he has capious.
All right, that's fine, Your Honor.
All right, the court will adjourn his appearance for the purpose of this hearing, and we'll set this exam for Tuesday, June 13th at 9 o'clock.
That's fine, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you too.
Oh. Right. Mr. McAlpine, are you ready?
Yes, good morning. I'm actually, if you can hold on for a few more minutes, I'm trying to reach my client.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Isn't this called still in the breakout room? Yep.
though.
I had to look it up back up. No, we got three. Yeah.
Excuse me, Madam Clerk,
Yes.
I'm ready. I don't have my client, but.
Okay. You ready?
Yes.
Yes,
Calling case. Calling case number 2357078, the people of the state of Michigan versus Anthony Beatty Jr. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed, count 2, alcohol open container in a vehicle. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Philip Henderson on behalf of the people, P 86029.
good morning, Your Honor. Warren McAlpine, P number 52522. I'm here on behalf of Anthony Beatty. Judge, Mr. Beatty is not on the call. I tried to reach him by text message and SMS, as well as a voice message, and he is not responding.
Will the waive his appearance for the purpose of today's hearing?
Yes, Judge.
All right, we'll do so. That's a matter for preliminary exam. 9:15 on June 13th.
Let me check that, please. June 15th,
13th.
13th. And 9:15. Okay,
Yes,
I can
sir.
do that. I can do that.
All right.
I'll try to reach him between now and then.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you. Have a great day, everyone.
You too.
Goodbye.
Bye now.
Bye, have a good one.
You do the same.
Good morning, Counselor. Are you on Corey Esther's? Ms. Segura? God damn it. It's the only one not.
Brown, Roosevelt. Have you heard from anybody?
No, that's the one, Ty just asked me to check.
Howard, you can just call, get another check.
Good morning, this is Kitty Joseph, 36th District Court. I have the probable cause conference I did today. Yes, it's 82-217-221-2301. Roosevelt. Oh, I'm sorry, Washington. Roosevelt is the first. Correct. 313-965-2282. Yes, we already assigned that, correct. 360-233-0000. All right. Good morning, counselor.
Good morning.
Are you
I'm
on,
here
Esther?
on- Yes,
All right, are you ready? She is on.
yes, I am ready, and I do see that.
Okay. Calling case number 2357093, the people of the state of Michigan versus Corey Esters. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. Count 2, stolen property, receiving and concealing a motor vehicle. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Philip Henderson on behalf of the people, P86029.
Alyssa Segura with the Neighborhood Defender Service on behalf of Ms. Esters, P86432. And Ms. Esters, if you could please unmute your device and state your full name for the record.
Oh, how do I get out of here? Thank you.
Can you state your full name for the record, ma'am?
Corey Esters. Thank you. Sorry.
Mr. Cura, I do my PCCs at 8:30. I'm not.
Yes, Your Honor, I apologize. This is my 4th Zoom this morning. It's been a rough morning, but that is my apologies.
You can call, you let us know that you're gonna be late. I'm just gonna reassign it.
Will do, Your Honor.
All right.
And we are just asking for an in-person preliminary examination in this matter.
All right. June 13th at 9:30.
That works, Your Honor. And I would just like to inform the prosecutor that I did receive the paper discovery, but I am missing the digital as of right now.
Yeah, it was sent very late. It should be in your inbox now, but if there's any problems, just let me know.
Okay, will do.
All right,
Thank
that's
you.
the in-person exam.
And Ms. Esters, if I could just verify briefly the phone number.
Yeah, 734-373-4791.
Perfect. Thank you so much. I will call you as soon as we get off of here.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day.
Thank you, too.
Thank you, you too.
What we have, Terry Peterson.
Did Moore say
Mr. Moore, we
two?
have Terry Peterson.
Peterson or Attorney Hamilton haven't checked in yet.
Hamilton was on Zoom.
The witness, civilian
What
witness
happened
and
in
police
Washington?
officer.
We're waiting on
We're waiting
another
on
attorney.
Attorney. Salem is still in the breakout.
I thought about it too.
So you don't know if you're transferring it or not?
Beg your
You're
pardon?
gonna transfer that to Judge King?
I meant to do that.
It's a,
We're waiting to hear back.
you don't do domestic violence?
You're supposed to do.
No, I'm waiting out to tell her. That's, I'm trying to.
Did we get back from, whether or not that's supposed to do?
Oh, yeah. I was just waiting on them to get off the breakout room, but she's still in there.
Does go King.
Yeah. Yeah, King wants them to come tomorrow, to log on tomorrow.
I'm just gonna, I'm gonna bring them back.
This is just the NBA line. Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah. Because
Send a message, just tell them to come back in the morning session.
I can't, not when they're in a breakout. Doesn't even show.
Yeah, you can't. Y'all make it.
What is she doing?
Yeah, y'all make it. Game freeze, crucial, didn't know. The heat.
Check that. My box.
They were.
Things good easy. Is this being defined? Each game is spread out further than say regular series. So
I don't know why she's not coming back.
Because it's the altitude, having more time to come back. Well, that's gonna be. Miami has a, I don't like the heat.
We're just waiting for your attorney to come back, okay?
Okay.
Another player for.
Was she on the phone or something in the breakout room?
Yes, ma'am. She was on the phone. She had took another call. And she told me to come back and she was gonna hook me back up to you guys. But I don't see her face. She got off.
Yeah, she's still in there. That's why I asked. I was wondering what was taking her so long to come back.
Yeah, he's here. I mean, this one, return back Thursday. And then there's another. Every case is CCW, and then there's one. Yeah.
Today.
Is this Attorney Hamilton?
No, this is.
Esther's. This is recalling case number 2357093. People State of Michigan versus Corey Joyce Esther's. Appearances one more time, please.
Oh,
Huh?
we did.
Esther's?
No.
We did Esther's.
Is on.
Right there, please. This is recalling 2357082. People State of Michigan versus Portia Ellis Salem.
And Your Honor, again, for the people, PA 6029.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jennifer Colthurst, P52876. I appear on behalf of Ms. Portia Salem. Ms. Salem, are you there?
Yes,
Please enable your video.
I don't know how to do that. It's not, I don't know how it's not showing the picture. Then if it says something, I'll leave. I don't know how to do that, but I see you though.
All right, that's all right. This matter's gonna be transferred to Judge King's docket. He wants you to zoom in tomorrow morning, 8:30.
Thank you,
Okay.
Your Honor. Thank you. Have
All
a
right,
good
thank
day,
you.
everyone.
So his name is who?
Judge King.
Judge Kenneth King,
Can you spell it, please?
King.
King?
Yes,
Uh-huh. What's the last part? King? Oh, just King?
yeah, Judge King, Judge Kenneth King.
Okay. His courtroom is what number?
He's
234.
234, yeah.
Okay. And then you said what time?
8:30.
8:30.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, thank you. And APA Henderson, if you could send over the written discovery, I certainly will appreciate it.
I sent that here in court, so it should be to you at this point, or
Oh.
at some point.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Have a good day, everyone.
All right, thank you. I can hang up now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bye.
And what date was that heard on?
Nine thirty, whatever you read.
You gonna do it without the attorney?
Yep. She's not here.
Oh, Mr. Peterson's not here? Moore, Peterson's not
Not
here?
yet. No, Peterson hasn't checked me. Just check him for some. Yeah.
Ready on Terry Peterson? No, nobody's here. Calling case number 2356873, the people of the state of Michigan versus Terry Peterson. Defendant is charged with count 1, breaking and entering a building with intent, habitual offender, third notice. This matter is scheduled for exam. Defendant has failed to appear.
Good morning, Judge. Alex Wayne on behalf of the people, P number P 86590.
I'm no defense attorney on this matter either. No one is called. Case is still enter. Any bond previously submitted shall be forfeited. Bond instead 30,000 cash.
Thank you, Judge. Yes, yeah. My co-counsel is the one, so, yeah. Yes. What is it? This is a possible. Next. downstairs to. Which, or the. Oh. Okay, you got a case like you said, 48 to 10. 10:30.
You send me this report, beginning my email. Do you have this report?
No, he's an attorney. Oh, I don't.
You're not working on these?
I'm not working on that case. We do separate cases.
Cases.
There's only one case I'm doing in, Travis.
The 1040, okay. There's two of them. Which Travis? Jamari?
Travis, Mario.
What about the Arnold
Judge,
Phillips
looks like they
Travis?
sent Brian Brown. You want me to call him back?
They signed the cases, so I just signed 4, you signed 3. So because the covenants and one go, is go, that's how it goes. So he's going to, he was assigned, and
Let me give them my email. Email me their report.
Oh, you want to go for it?
Well, yeah. They'll have a street.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
And give it to him too, so he can be.
Oh, the discovery part.
Perfect. Unless they waive them.
See. Okay, that's good, but you're right. I'm okay, good to get you. Let me go speak to you. I will. If you came with that.
Yes.
Yes, he's in now, but the judge wants it reassigned. Ms. Brown had the wrong courtroom down. But she's gonna reassign it.
This is. I had it, that's just one, but if you want to write it down, because I'm gonna need that for the case.
Oh, really? Okay, okay. No, yeah, can you hold on one second? Roosevelt, Washington has another case that Brian Brown is already assigned to.
Ain't sure for an hour and a half. The real thing, I'll do it.
Okay.
Yeah, that, they want me to hold them in contempt.
He's gonna have two different attorneys. She did. Yeah, that one, yeah. I think I did, I don't think it was.
Nothing. You said
Nothing. It's not big.
Well. All right. Can you hear me?
he's on now. Good morning, Mr. Beatty.
Good morning.
All right, your attorney appeared on your behalf. He waived your appearance. Your next court date is June 13th at 9:15. Do you have a phone number, a good number?
Phone number? No, ma'am. Not right now.
Huh?
I said no, ma'am.
Okay, you need to talk to your attorney, sir. So he can't get in touch with you without a phone number.
I can give him my mother's phone number.
What is it?
313
Uh-huh.
688
Okay.
6522.
And this is your mother's phone number?
Yes, ma'am.
What is her name?
Erica Williams. And excuse me, I heard you say June the 13th on the paper. It say
Yes, June 13th.
On the paper I got right here, it say June the 14th.
Okay, don't worry about that date. The judge scheduled it for June 13th at 9:15. Okay?
Okay.
So your court date is in person. It's here in the building of 36th District Court, courtroom 233. Okay, make sure you don't wear no t-shirts or no sweats. A button up or a collar polo shirt, something like that.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we'll see you on June 13th at 9 o'clock. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're all set. You can log off.
Okay.
All right.
What case was that, Mr.
That was Beatty. We already did them.
Okay. Yes, the client did show it.
Oh, okay. Did we do something on Washington? Did he get reassigned or?
Oh, we got reassigned, wait for the attorney.
We're waiting for the attorney.
All right.
Which Brown is that?
Brian.
Yes. I'm back. That she's working with.
Good morning, Mr. Brown.
So I see.
Morning.
All right, so unfortunately, the judge reassigned your case. So you gotta call the assignments again.
The message I got, and I'm gonna send it over to, and I just triple checked it, that it said that Mr. Washington's PCC was for June 8th. When I accepted the case, they told me his probable conference was June 8th, not today. So I don't know how that mix up is, but I guess I'm gonna have to check that with assigned counsel, but that's the notification I got, and I'm 1000% positive it's June 8th because I'm looking at it right now.
Yeah, you're gonna have to ask them because all the paperwork on here says the 6th.
Okay, okay, I'll check with them then.
All right, sorry.
All right.
Was that Joel?
No, that was Brian Brown. All right, Alicia Martin. Here's Miss Martin.
That was on the Washington case?
I mean.
So
The judge had it reassigned. Maybe this is who was reassigned.
You know, as far as, so this is the original. Oh, right, but the, you know, the car. The same car that.
Good morning, Ms. Martin.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm doing fine.
What case are you on?
Did you guys take care of Roosevelt, Washington?
No, the judge had it reassigned.
Okay, they sent me to handle it.
All right. All right, so you're our last PCC. I'll call it as soon as the judge gets back on the bench.
Okay.
And he shouldn't be long.
Is the prosecutor in the room?
Yes, he is.
Hi,
Yes, sir.
my email is bmj dot esq at Gmail.
At Gmail. And what, I'm sorry, I was talking, what was your name?
Alicia Martin.
Thank you.
She's on Washington. It's been reassigned.
Got it.
Parties ready on Roosevelt, Washington. Calling case number 2355739, the people of the state of Michigan versus Roosevelt, Washington. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed, count 2, weapons, firearms, possession by a felon, count 3, weapons, felony, firearm, habitual offender for notice. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause count.
Philip Henderson on behalf of the people, P86029.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alicia Martin, P69003 on behalf of Mr. Washington.
Right, waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing.
Yes.
Subject matter for exam. Available June 13th at 9:45.
You said June 13th, Judge?
Yes.
Can we do 10 o'clock?
We do 10 o'clock.
Okay.
All right, anything else?
Okay.
No, Your Honor, thank you.
All right, thank you. Do we have Mr. Jones here?
Yeah, I guess it or not.
No. Attorney
Mr.
Jones?
Jones and my attorney's here. He just talked to his client to see what they're gonna do.
Oh. All right.
So, come on in.
Huh?
Good morning, Ron.
Good morning.
I'm here in the matter of Leandro Jones. I got him and his mom outside. Maybe this city whether he wants to hold or wait. If the court would just give me a moment or two, I'll have a resolution.
All right.
Thank you, Brandon.
Hi, this is mental reschedule.
One of the things in the court is don't use my client for the examination.
So what we doing?
It's a waiver.
Courtroom 233, Judge. Oh. I'm sorry.
This is case number 2356998. People State of Michigan versus DeAndre Chancey Jones. Charged count 1, stolen property, receiving, concealing stolen vehicle. Count 2, police officer fleeing, 3rd-degree vehicle assault. Yes.
Philip Henderson on behalf of the people, Your Honor, PA 6029.
May please court, Joe Ryan, about my first suspect, the look at the Mr. Jones.
Jones, can you state your name for the record, please? Thank you. Counsel? Counsel?
I'm sorry, forgive me, I talked to my client, explaining to him what the rights are pursuant to this little proceeding. He understands he has a right to an examination. He knowingly and voluntarily waives that right, understanding that it will be bound over to a certain court for ultimate resolution.
The state has no objection.
All right. Mr. Jones, well, your attorney just said it, but I have to go back through it also. You understand that you have a statutory right to a preliminary exam where the state must show by probable cause the crime was committed, probable cause you had something to do with committing that crime. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anybody promise you anything or threaten you in any way, that you waive your right to preliminary exam? You waive your right freely and voluntarily after having opportunity to talk to your attorney.
Yes, Your Honor.
You signed the waiver of examination form?
Yes.
The people have no objection?
No.
All right, court will find that you freely and voluntarily waive your right to preliminary exam as bound over Wayne County Circuit Court Criminal Division for arraignment on the information, which will be June 20th, 2023 at 9 o'clock.
Is that me, Your Honor? 9 a.m.
9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yep.
Bond
Thank
is
you.
bond is continued.
Bond is continued. Yep.
Thank you. All right, take care. Client, Mr. Arnold, not yet.
Yeah, that's yeah, exactly. Other two cases, they're all CC records. Not bad cases. Except that one that.
Arnold was at one and one was in jail. Yeah, but I think you called on it last time and you responded.
Thank you, sir.
Oh. Courtroom 233, judgment from. Mhm. Mhm. Okay, what paperwork are you looking for? They need to come mechanical. Yeah. All right. Yeah.
You're fine, right? This Friday? Yeah. Okay.
Oh, that's right.
Right, yeah.
I'm getting all mixed up.
Yeah, this Friday, it's Friday.
It is that she looked really
Is August. Yeah. August 19th, of the 21st through 25th. Huh? Yeah.
Did y'all get that?
November.
They were like that.
Yeah. I might go to, we can get into Branson, Missouri.
Yeah, we've been there.
You been there?
Yeah.
You been there? It was good.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I was really good. All around good.
During that time, this would be.
Good. Like hot.
Yeah.
So we are.
Y'all from the team?
Huh?
Y'all from the team?
Yeah. Judge Jay, well, holiday is the 19th. Judge Jay is doing the 20th, the 22nd. Roberts is doing the 23rd, the Friday, Judge Roberts. Judge Roberts?
Because,
Does the CCW?
yeah.
Yeah, I know that, but I never seen
And they said, I don't know who's doing the 21st. Administration said maybe just. I'm going up north. I'll take care of some stuff. Huh?
those guys come up. Those guys here. Oh, man. I'll read it. I was like, wow, this is so good.
No, let me see. You might be in here. No, it's not even the number shown for her. You got it? Oh, let me order some.
Yes, it's all gone.
Yeah.
You're talking, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bob is here. Bob is here.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah,
I'm like,
and I see this. came to the door and waited to let them know she was here. The client here?
Is her client here?
Not ready to see her clients now. She's on the phone.
I also don't. Thanks, Cass.
Yeah. Morning, Your Honor. Good morning, Madam Clerk.
Good morning.
Good morning. No client?
Your Honor, Mr. Arnold.
On the record, please.
Don't need to hear everything twice, I suppose.
Calling case number 2356928, the people of the state of Michigan versus Philip Arnold. Defendant is charged with count 1, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing, habitual offender, fourth notice. Also calling case number 1955357, the people of the state of Michigan versus Philip Arnold. Defendant is charged with count 1, breaking and entering a building with intent. Count 2, larceny in a building, habitual offender, fourth notice. Matters scheduled for exam.
Philip Henderson for the people, P86029.
Good morning, Neighborhood Defender Service by Kate Vermont Grady, P83667. On behalf of Mr. Philip Arnold, I am appearing on both cases. Your Honor, Mr. Arnold obviously is not present with us here in the courtroom. My understanding is that he is on Zoom. Mr. Arnold is disabled. He had medical transport lined up, or was trying to coordinate a medical transport. He was not able to have that work out for him, so he is appearing on Zoom. And I apologize to the board.
Gentlemen.
Is he on the Samsung device?
I believe so.
I don't want to just let him in, and, you know, we got these.
I witnessed. What can go wrong? It's traumatizing.
Let's see,
He's saying, it says it's in the waiting room.
I just sent him a message, let me see if he answers. You want me to let him in, Judge, or?
Yeah, that's what I meant.
We did indicate that, yes, he's on the Samsung.
All right, there. That's it.
Your name, please?
Yes.
Your name, please?
Okay. There we go. Hello?
Yes, your name, please?
Okay, are we proceeding? I can't see really. Let me blow this up.
Mr. Arnold, can you please state your name for the court?
My name for the record is El Ferro Elamir.
And one of your aliases is Philip Arnold, correct?
Not correct.
All right, I'll let you indicate this.
Mr. Arnold, okay. Your Honor, respectfully, on the 20.
I'm not, I don't play games.
I understand that. I'm just, on the 2019 case, there are no officers here and there's no,
He's not here. It's not him. He said it's not him. He can show it. Any bond previously submitted shall be forfeit. New bonds on both cases set at 30,000 cash.
Mr. Arnold,
Hello? Yes. I
here
can't
the court is
see.
issuing. The court is issuing a capias, a warrant for your arrest on both cases.
I can't understand the language.
That concludes the hearing.
Obviously, just to
He
know,
was pretty healthy to me.
I am.
I can't hear
To note
anything.
that I haven't received, I know the court did sign the discovery order regarding digital and paper discovery, and just for the record, I have not received digital discovery on either case.
Well, you don't have a client either.
I understand that. I'm
According
just,
to your client.
I can't hear anything that's being said.
all right, yeah, I can call him and I don't.
I can only hear one person. I can hear the lady. I can't hear anybody.
Correct.
He wants to come in, he comes in person. I don't do those over Zoom.
Mr. Travis just checked in.
All right. Like that. Yeah.
Oh, excuse me.
Bless you.
It's just Tuesday. ain't it? Some 2 files. For tomorrow. Might be downstairs. Arrangements.
You don't have any PCCs wrong?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, 9.
9?
9.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, really 8. One person has 2 cases.
Oh. Sir, you stand up.
Oh. You ready? You ready, Council?
Yes.
Calling case number 2356468, the people of the state of Michigan versus Jamari Travis. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for exam.
Good morning, Judge. Alex Ring on behalf of the people, P number P86590.
And good morning, Neighborhood Defender Service by Kate Demont Grady, P 83667, on behalf of Mr. Jamari Travis, who is with us in the courtroom. Mr. Travis, please state your name.
Jamari Travis.
Ready to see?
The people already proceeding, we call our first witness, Officer Patrick.
What's his first name?
Hugh.
I'm trying to save time.
Oh,
That's okay. I'll get it. What's your first name?
Yep, BRA.
All right.
The truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
You close the door towards you?
Good morning, officer. Please state your name again for the record.
Officer Brandon Patton,
And what is your job?
police officer, Detroit Police Department, 8th Precinct.
And how long have you worked there for?
And I'm sorry, I'm just gonna stop. I see the witness does have a piece of paper in his hand, and I'm not, just to clarify what it is, or flip it over.
Yeah, it's recorded.
Great, yeah, you can just flip it over, and if you need to refresh, obviously, no issues. Thank you.
Where do you work at? What?
Detroit Police Department, 8th Precinct, doing 4 special operations.
And how long have you worked there for?
At the 8th precinct, coming up on 3.5, almost 4 years.
And were you working on the date of 04/15/2023?
I was.
And did your work bring you to the location of 16901 W 7 Mile Road, Detroit, Michigan 48235?
Yes,
That's in Detroit County, Illinois.
it is.
And when you were working on that day, what did you observe?
I was pulling into the gas station. I observed a male walk to a vehicle. He got into the vehicle. At the time, my partner entered the plate of the vehicle. Made me aware that they came back
Objection,
uninsured.
hearsay.
You can't say what other people said.
What action did you take after your partner?
At that point, he got into the driver's seat. We conducted a traffic stop because there's no insurance on the vehicle.
With there being no insurance in the vehicle, what did you do next?
Objection, hearsay. Lacks foundation, no personal knowledge.
PC for the stop.
Hold on, please. Yeah, foundation.
When you were observing a vehicle, what happened?
The driver got into the driver's seat of the vehicle.
And then when you observed that, what happened next?
My partner entered the plate until he.
And then, don't tell me what your partner told you. What action did you do?
I initiated my emergency lights to conduct a traffic stop.
When you initiated those lights to do a traffic stop, what was the reasoning you were doing that? When you initiated that traffic stop, what did you do when you approached the vehicle?
As I initiated my emergency lights, the front passenger of the vehicle, the offender, exited the car at that time and started to walk away.
Do you see that front passenger here today?
I do.
Can you point to a piece of clothing that they're wearing?
He is sitting over there. He has a blue shirt on, long hair.
Please let the record reflect that the witnesses identified the defendant, Jamari Travis. So when the defendant was doing those actions, what did you do?
My partner made contact with him while I made contact with the driver. So I approached the driver's side still as normal.
When you approached the driver, did you ask him questions?
I did, yeah. I made him aware of the reason for the stop. I asked him.
Relevant.
It goes to the reasoning of the stop.
What do I care?
It's the reason why.
He was a front passenger.
Okay.
So he made a traffic stop on somebody else. So what do I care as it relates to this exam?
It goes to, eventually there is a search done of the vehicle.
So what? He is the front passenger.
Give me one moment, Judge.
I mean, give me an offer of proof of something. You gotta tell me something. Otherwise, what I care what you did with somebody else.
Okay. After your, did you smell any odor in the vehicle?
No, you're reading. You can't offer evidence in the form of your question.
Through your experience, when approaching the vehicle, what did you notice?
When I approached the vehicle after initiating my lights, Mr. Travis then hopped out the front passenger seat, so we were already approaching the vehicle when he exited the vehicle. In my experience, he's trying to create distance from where he was sitting.
Okay, I'm gonna strike all this. This is all speculation. That was not the question you were asked.
When you were approaching the vehicle, after you had this conversation with the driver, what did you do?
At him exit the vehicle, he could not provide me any insurance. At that time, both occupants of the vehicle were placed in front of the scout car. I conducted an inventory search of the
Objection
vehicle.
narrative.
After you placed the suspects in handcuffs, what did you do next?
I conducted an inventory search of the vehicle because there's no insurance.
When you conducted that search, what did you find?
I found a firearm underneath where Mr. Travis was sitting on the floor, or underneath the seat toward the front, on the floorboard toward the front and the bottom of the seat.
What else did you notice when you were in the vehicle?
There's marijuana in the vehicle.
No further questions.
Morning, Officer Fenton.
Good morning, ma'am.
So you and your partner, you have a partner that day, correct?
I did, yes.
And you're the driver,
I am.
and you pull into this gas station,
Correct.
and you see this vehicle sitting at a pump.
Correct.
There's nothing suspicious about sitting at a pump.
No.
This car was not illegally parked.
No.
You had not seen either occupant do anything that raised your suspicion at that point.
I personally did not know.
So you approached the driver,
Yes, after emission the lights.
and you wrote a report that day,
I did.
and you wrote it right when all the details were fresh,
Yes.
and you've been trained on writing reports,
Correct.
and you put the important details in your report.
Yes.
And you would agree that you wrote that the driver appeared nervous,
I did.
and that his hands were shaking,
I did.
and that you found that to be suspicious.
I did.
And so fair to say you thought there could be contraband in that car,
Yes, ma'am.
and you wanted to see where that contraband was.
No, ma'am. I mean, they had marijuana, so there was that. And there was no insurance on the vehicle, and the driver didn't have a license, so there's more than that.
So you removed the driver,
I did.
and you handcuffed him behind his back, and you placed him in the back of the scout car.
I don't recall when I did that or at what point.
Okay. But he's placed in the back of the scout car, correct? They're both placed in handcuffs, placed in the back of the scout car.
I have a recollection.
But looking at your report, refresh your recollection.
It would.
Please turn it over and look up when your memories are fresh.
You want to give me an offer of proof and it's the same issue? Why do I care what happened with the driver?
Your Honor, this is a purported inventory search. The law is very clear, an inventory search may not be a ruse for criminal investigation. It's
I
one of the,
understand that, but your client doesn't have standing to
Your
make
Honor,
that argument.
there's been no evidence offered as to who's the possessory interest in the car.
Okay, then why are we going into it?
Your Honor, he's being charged with,
I know what he's charged with. Why, you're not answering my question. Why are we going into something that your client, there's nothing on his record that shows he has standing to make that argument in the first place? Does, who the car belongs to, et cetera. We have a driver.
understood,
The
Your
law
Honor.
is very clear.
Understood, Your Honor.
Anything in that car goes to the driver.
Understood. Thank you. I will move on.
Thank you.
So Mr. Travis is placed in handcuffs
Correct.
behind his back,
Correct.
and he's placed in the back of the scout car.
Correct.
And at that point, all you had seen Mr. Travis do was get out of a car.
Yes.
And begin to walk towards a gas station.
Yes.
When Mr. Travis was taken into custody, you searched him, correct?
I don't recall if I did or my partner did.
You would agree that there was no holster found on Mr. Travis?
You say, no, if he checked, if he searched, right? So how we know any?
Would reviewing the report refresh your recollection as to who searched him?
Yeah.
Is your memory refreshed?
Yes.
Did you search Mr. Travis?
I did not.
Did your partner search Mr. Travis?
Yes.
Do you know if there was any items connecting Mr. Travis to a gun found on this person?
There's no.
You're not asking for personal knowledge. You have to ask.
I said,
You said if he knew. If he knew, could have been, his partner told him,
The court is
that
correct.
somebody else in the street told him,
The
he
court-
read it in the magazine, I don't know. Come on now.
Do you have personal knowledge? Did you see anything recovered from Mr. Travis connecting him to a firearm?
No.
The driver was released at the scene.
Correct.
He was issued an ordinance violation.
Correct.
No further questions.
When you searched the vehicle, where was the gun located?
It's underneath the passenger seat towards the front floorboard.
And where was the defendant sitting?
He was sitting in the front passenger seat.
No further questions.
Anything else?
Nothing else.
Thank you, you stepped down. Oh, all right.
Big step.
Anything else?
The people have one more witness.
Who's your witness?
Officer Pavish can testify to running the lane.
Look here. It's not his car. I don't need that. It doesn't go to an element.
Thank you, Joe. We don't, we're good. No further witnesses, Judge.
Any witness?
No, Your Honor.
Any argument?
The people motion to bound over on count one. The vehicle was searched by the officer who just testified, searching the vehicle.
Okay, I got, let me ask you to clarify a couple of issues. First, it's not his vehicle, because you don't have that on the record. We all can agree to that. Is that correct?
Correct.
All right. You can also agree that there was no testimony that Mr. Travis made any kind of movements, further movements towards the floorboard, towards anything. The only thing he did was get out and walk away from the car. You agree to that, correct?
I agree.
Okay. And how do you get knowledge? Because carrying a concealed weapon, he has to have knowledge that the weapon is there. He is not the driver of this vehicle. And the law, as I understand it, has not changed. Anything in that vehicle goes to the driver, not any passengers. Unless they can show by probable cause through some other evidence that that weapon is somehow connected to Mr. Travis. I haven't heard anything. So I'll give you a chance to make your argument.
My argument goes to the fact that the defendant was sitting in the front passenger, the gun being found underneath.
So?
Well, my argument would be that the driver is driving the vehicle, with him being the driver, if he was in possession and had possession.
The law states that the driver is responsible for everything in the vehicle. It could be in the trunk, it could be in the, underneath the hood, taped to the engine, it doesn't matter. It goes to the driver, it doesn't go to a passenger. Unless you can show me knowledge, you have to show me knowledge that Mr. Travis had knowledge that it was there. Can you do that? If you can do that, mine's over. If you can't,
The people aren't able to show the knowledge here.
then you're missing an element.
Correct.
Alright. That is dismissed without prejudice.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge.
Any other dismissal clauses, Mr. Max?
Yes.
Madam Green?
Yes. No. You may have. All right, that's our last case, right? Yeah.
I'm gonna hold. All right.
Yep. Like, okay, you gotta go into the gas station. No, you're right. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Yeah. It's always, I mean, some of they're near it, theirs, and that's not what the law says, but that's what.
Well, that's why it's
I feel like
actually-
right. But I mean, as everybody tells you in law school, they're the judge, it's like, no. I'm happy you're back on these. Because when I started, because I graduated law school, and right when I started, you were on the exam. Now you're back. I didn't quit. Yep. I haven't, yeah. Yep. I'm trying to protect it for sure. I appreciate that.
I'm calling about that.
Yeah. No, I appreciate that. Yeah. That's, I mean. Right.
Because that's what it's
right.
was.
Yeah. What is happening? Totally. Yeah. No, you're right, and I think I'm finding like when you're overly pressed, when you're super pressed.
Make your
you know
job harder, you
everything.
have.
What the work is or is not here. Yeah. And like, the filters. No, I don't. I appreciate it. No, I appreciate it. No, totally, yeah. I'll take all the help I can get for sure. You are where you are. I understand. All right, well, thank you. See you soon, I'm sure. Thank you very much.
All right.
How are you?
That's good.
You too.
Take care of yourself.
Judge Manning.
Yes, sir.
Hey,
Whoever issued that warrant.
Why would they issue this right? Well, because they let me try it.
And then,
I know.
this is where they kind of.
Because they have no reason to stop. They did a traffic. Traffic stop doesn't mean, it's because, you know, it's all obstruction. You haven't seen anything. You got no reason to. You gotta let them go.
Yeah. That's what I was talking, I didn't, something different thing about this case yesterday. They're like, well, you gotta run, well, I'll just run it. So it's nice. I mean,
Alrighty.
you know, because Why do you make it? No, if it's not there, then what? You just, you know, it's, I don't think you realize, I go. I don't want to use this shit.
I'm gonna cut it.
Yeah.
I've been doing this longer than most of y'all.
Probably nothing a lot.
I'm not trying to.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, so I'm gonna cut it.
Yeah. Real quick. But those are, you know, granted, you were not too harsh, but but you want to be hard. No, given the facts. I know. But as we're talking about,
Well,
yeah.
they are.
That's why I was talking about this shit. I was like, why didn't you charge me? But they screwed up, they didn't do that. And then now they want to get someone, but that isn't right. They didn't do it, you can't.
Right.
That isn't. Yeah. My driver should come today. I'm going to the range today. And then.
One way to work out.
Oh, if it doesn't, then I gotta like maybe take golf lessons. But thank you, Judge, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay.
What do you think about that?
Yeah, no, there's another one I read.
Hey, Phil, you here Friday?
I'm Thursday and Friday.
Oh, Thursday, okay, we'll see you, brother.
All right, y'all have a good one.
Take care of yourself.
To see.
Hey, he's listening, he's listening. Okay.
I know.